Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for clicking. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a special vanilla cupcake. This cake is a very moist cake that when you put it in your mouth, it will just melt inside your mouth, and I guess that is the kind of cake you want. So sit down, stay tuned, and enjoy this wonderful cake recipe. Let me introduce you to the ingredients we are going to be working with. This is 200 grams of flour, all-purpose flour by the way. This is 200 grams of sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup vegetable oil. I'm going to be using 2 eggs, 2 large eggs by the way, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. So this is the ingredients I'm going to be working with. So without further say and do, let's just get right into the video. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to mix all the dry ingredients together, which is, this is all-purpose flour, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon salt, this is baking powder, and I'm just going to mix it together like this. Then I'm going to set it aside. So the first thing I'm going to be doing now is to mix egg and sugar together. Guys, at this point you can use your hand mixer or your stand mixer if you have, but I choose to make this cake without using mixer just for the purpose of people that does not have mixer at home and still want to make a very moist, fluffy, soft and delicious cake at home. That is why I'm sharing this method to prepare an oil-based vanilla cake. I'm sure this is the kind of cake you have been looking for. I'm going to be alternating the all-purpose flour with the milk. Guys, this is the outcome of our recipe. This is our oil-based vanilla cake. This cake is made without mixer. It can be made at the comfort of your home. See how beautiful it is. See how lush it is looking. It is very soft, fluffy, and very, very delicious. See how soft it is in the inside. See how lush it is. See how soft and fluffy it is. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching my video.